In this video, I'm going to teach you how to design an elbow using SolidWorks. So first of all, create a front plane, go to sketch, and you can make a 20 millimeter circle. Give dimension using uh, smart dimension. Now go to exit from this sketch and go to sketch, go to 3D sketch. You can make a line like this, and another line, and exit from the sketch. Now create a line on this Z direction. Now you can see that this is a 3D sketch, and we can extrude this 3D sketch using this circular sketch, and for make a 3D model you have to exit from the sketch and go to swept boss base. Sketch profile is this one, and this is the path, and you can see that takes automatically. Before give that, you have to go to this sketch again and make a sketch fillet on this corner about 10 millimeter. Again exit from the sketch and go to features. On feature tab you can see that swept boss base. Select this one. The path is this. Now you can create the 3D model. This is our elbow. Again select sketch, and you can make a sketch about 35 millimeters and extrude that one up to 5 millimeters. Go to convert entities. No, you have to make a circle. This is our elbow.